guys, welcome back to my channel. Tatyana here. This is Annabelle. She's gonna be my model for today. Follow her on Instagram. I have all the links below. So we are going to just use this old looking building. I want to get some sitting down shots and just kind of, I don't know, make her look really tall, show some leg. Not too much leg. But I'm gonna use my 35mm for this one, and I will let you guys know the settings in a minute. All right, let's get started. Okay, so yeah, just kind of sit here. So the settings I'm using for this one are 1.4 35mm lens, 1.4 aperture, 100 ISO, and 640 shutter. Have your jacket down, but kind of halfway, maybe on, yeah, on both maybe even on both sides. Yeah, and then just kind of, I still want you in front of this building, so maybe stand here. You can even walk toward me from that angle, but forward. You can actually walk. This is a wide lens. I almost want you to be like, oh, the coat. I think there was a few where, like, you could be like walking and then just kind of like twist the coat, kind of like in front of you. Okay. Like almost let it fly, kind of toward the lens.
With this hand or the other hand?
Whatever way feels natural. Whichever hand feels natural. I don't know.
I think this one.
Whichever one.
Okay.
And then just walk, like I said, toward the camera. All right, so we just, I had Annabelle switch outfits, so we're just doing more casual, and we found this little trailer thingy right off the road where I live, so we're just gonna take some shots here with this outfit. All right, so I'm gonna have you